All right, Todd here from Car Candy. Got a 2016 Ford Explorer. As you can see, the big Ford logo. Did a remote start in this guy. It is a push to start ignition. As we'll pan down here and see the key. I'm recording this with my phone. It's a little different. I like the GoPro. It's easier. So for remote start, on our RS4 G5, we have lock, unlock, power trunk release, if so equipped, that would work. And then our remote start. So remote start, we're going to push 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, and boom. Now, a lot of you have asked me about the license plate, where it says Car Candy. Looks like an Illinois license plate. That was not my idea. Thank you for telling me it was a good idea. That was Mike DeFranzo's idea. A good friend of mine suggested that. So when we enter this guy to take over, we're going to unlock the vehicle. We're going to get in. I'm going to try to hold the camera still. Now on this one, we need to validate the key. So we're going to press the engine button, wait till all, and then we're going to tap the brake. And now we are good to go. Turn it off. We just hit it off. All right, guys. Thanks for watching this little clip. I'll post it. Thank you, Mike DeFranzo, for the... That's probably some wild video. Thank you, Mikey, for the license plate idea. It's excellent. In case you haven't seen, this is my shop. This is where all the magic happens. Alrighty, well, this is it. We'll talk later. Bye-bye.